Good morning, 10th class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 8 and name of the chapter is How do organisms reproduce? In this chapter we have total 3 subtopics. 8.1 Do organisms create exact copies of themselves? 8.2 Modes of reproduction used by single organisms. 8.3 Sexual reproduction. In the third topic we will deal sexual reproduction with reference to plants as well as with reference to animals also. So today we are going to complete 8.1. Do organisms create exact copies of themselves? Right? As you know, reproduction means production again. Means you are getting organism again from the existing organism. Right? So reproduction is a biological process in which new organisms we get from previous organisms. Right? So like a dog from dog, then cat from cat, then a human being give birth to a new child, right? A child, and that is also of human being type, right? So reproduction means production of new organisms from the existing organisms, and the type is same, means the type of species is same, right? So here, do organisms create exact copies of themselves? So in this topic, we have two subtopics. Number first subtopic is the importance of variation, and number second is about our today's assignment number 1. So here is our topic 8.1. First we are discussing about the topic, right? Do organisms create exact copies of themselves? जैसा कि आपको पता है organisms reproduction में क्या होता है, एक organism से नया organism बनता है, right? So here organisms अपना exact copy बनाते हैं, राइट? जैसा पहले ऑर्गेनिज्म होता है वैसा ही दूसरा वाला ऑर्गेनिज्म जो नया आता है वैसा होता है. दिस इज अवर टॉपिक. सो हियर वी हैव दिस इज फ्रॉम अवर प्रीवियस नॉलेज. ये हमारे पास क्या है? वन ऑफ द एनिमल सेल, राइट? एनिमल सेल, द आउटर मोस्ट है सेल मेम्ब्रेन और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, दिस you know. Then the inner one is nuclear membrane, and then inside the nucleus what we have, that is a nucleoplasm. Then this thin thread like structure is chromosome, right? Thin thread is known as, thin form is chromatin fiber, the thick form is known as chromosome. So here this one is chromosome, right? And this one is nucleoid, right? And as you know that chromosome contains information for inheritance of features from parents to next generation. मतलब जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है हमारे पास वो सारी की सारी किस में होती है? डीएनए में, और यही इंफॉर्मेशन नेक्स्ट जनरेशन में जाती है, राइट? सो इट कंटेन्स ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट? एंड दीज इंफॉर्मेशन आर ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. द सिंगल यूनिट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज नोन एज डीएनए, एंड डीएनए फुल फॉर्म इज deoxyribonucleic acid. This is D and here it is N and here A. So DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. So this whole is chromosome and the single unit is known as DNA, right? And what is the function of DNA? DNA is the information source for making proteins. DNA makes protein, right? So proteins are made from DNA, right? Then about reproduction is creation of a DNA copy. आपको पता है रिप्रोडक्शन दो तरीके का होता है, सेक्सुअल एंड एसेक्सुअल, फ्रॉम योर प्रीवियस नॉलेज, राइट? सो हियर इफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म डिवाइड्स इनटू टू न्यू ऑर्गेनिजम्स, राइट? सो अ सेल डिवाइड्स टू गिव राइज टू टू सेल्स. DNA copy is accompanied by creation of additional cellular apparatus. So here one cell is giving rise to two cells, right? आप देखोगे यहाँ से एक सेल से दो सेल बना, राइट? आप देखोगे यहाँ पे क्रोमोसोम भी अकेला था, राइट? और यहाँ पे कैसे हो गया? डबल, एक इस तरफ गया एक इस तरफ गया, तो सेल तो बना ही, साथ में आपको क्या मिल रहा है? डीएनए का कॉपी भी हुआ. सो अ सेल डिवाइड्स टू गिव राइज टू टू सेल्स. डीएनए कॉपी इज accompanied by the creation of additional cellular apparatus. So cellular apparatus is also created and side by side there is creation of DNA copy is also there. तो अभी हमारा टॉपिक यही है कि ये जो डीएनए कॉपी हुआ है एग्जैक्ट कॉपी है? सो आंसर इज नो, दे आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी. These two cells are similar but they not be identical to original, right? Like here अगर हमारे पास A है तो A से आपको A मिलेगा, right? But this is not exact, right? A to A there is no exact copy. It is similar. There must be a little variation. There is a little variation, जिस तरीके से आप जेरोक्स कॉपी करवाते हैं, जेरोक्स में क्या होता है, आप पहचान सकते हैं कि ओरिजिनल, जैसे अगर हम इस पेज का जेरोक्स करवाएंगे तो आप ओरिजिनल और जेरोक्स में पता लगा लो कि कौन सा ओरिजिनल है और कौन सा जेरोक्स है. सो दे आर सिमिलर. इसके सारे प्रिंटेड मटेरियल उसमें होंगे, बट दे आर सिमिलर, दे आर नॉट एग्जैक्ट कॉपी, राइट. सो do organisms create exact copies of themselves? So a total copy identical, they are not identical, they are similar, right. So here then about importance of reproduction. So importance is to create a DNA copy. In case of reproduction there is copying of DNA, so we get a new DNA copy, right. And then for the stability of population of a species, right, in order to for the existence of population of a particular species, reproduction is essential. अगर reproduction नहीं होगा तो suppose अगर cat का reproduction नहीं हुआ, right, if there is no new individual of cat, तो थोड़े दिन के बाद क्या होगा, जो previous organisms थे all they are going to die, and in the new world there is no existence of cat, right. cat का एक भी species नहीं मिलेगा. That means for the existence of cat there must be reproduction, right. So it is required for stability of population of species. Now next we have subtopic number 1, the importance of variation. So here variation is useful for survival of a species over time. So we can describe this by this 3 figure. Number first figure, in the first figure what do we have, water, and in water what is present there, bacteria. And what is the specific feature of bacteria here, living in temperate water. ये ऐसे बैक्टीरिया हैं जो टेम्परेट वाटर में सर्वाइव करते हैं. आपको पता है एटमॉस्फेयर ग्रेजुअली चेंजेस. सो सपोज इफ देयर इज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग देन एटमॉस्फेयर बिकम हॉट, राइट. इफ एटमॉस्फेयर बिकम्स हॉट दैट मीन्स वाटर इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग हॉट, राइट. तो वाटर भी गर्म हो जाएगा. तो ऐसे केस में क्या होगा, वाटर गर्म हो जाएगा, राइट. एंड हियर बैक्टीरिया में रिप्रोडक्शन होगा. आपको पता है देयर इज रिप्रोडक्शन वेयर DNA copying is similar, not identical. तो हो सकता है कि कुछ बैक्टीरिया जो हो वो टेम्परेट वाटर में ही रहें, कुछ बैक्टीरिया में वेरिएशन आए जो लिविंग इन कोल्ड वाटर में सर्वाइव कर सके, कुछ में वेरिएशंस आए बैक्टीरिया लिविंग इन हॉट वाटर. तो आपको सेम बैक्टीरिया से आपको कितने तरीके का रिप्रोडक्शन, बिकॉज ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन हाउ मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स यू आर गेटिंग, 3 टाइप्स. ये हमारा सिर्फ सपोजिशन है, राइट. दिस वन इज एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ द प्रीवियस वन. A little variation with cold water. Here the variation is hot water. But out of all these 3 situations, global warming is matching with the hot one, right. So only this bacteria is going to survive when the temperature is hot, right. Otherwise if bacteria living in temperate water they are not going to survive. ये भी kill हो जाएंगे, cold water वाला भी kill हो जाएगा, सिर्फ ये वाला survive करेगा. So in the figure 3rd only green color, right, that means bacteria living in hot water they are going to survive in nature. तो आपने देखा यहाँ पे reproduction हुआ, उसमें 3 तरीके का variation हुआ, right. So here this variation there is no variation in the first case. So no variation, that means they are not going to, this is not matching with the environment variation, right. So they are not going to survive. This is also variation, but here what is this variation is not matching with the variation of atmosphere, so this will also die. But this variation is matching with the atmosphere, right, atmospheric changes, so this is going to survive. So here what is written there, variation is useful for survival of a species. So species of bacteria is surviving, but individual is not surviving. Like here individual, this brown color individual is not going to survive, this blue color is individual is not going to survive, but the species of bacteria is surviving in the changed atmosphere. Understood? So variation is important for the survival of a species over time, right. Then next we have home assignment number 1. This is taken from your science textbook, chapter number 8, page number 128, question number 1 and 2. And then from science textbook, chapter number 8, page number 141, question number 10. These 2 questions you have to do in your copies and submit this work on Google Classroom. Thank you.